Most people get this wrong and assume a Walmart gift card works like a normal debit card that you can just type in anywhere, and it always goes through. Here's the truth, no one tells you. A Walmart gift card only works inside Walmart's system, and if you don't use it the right way, it will look like it's not working even when it has money on it. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use a Walmart gift card online in 2026, step by step, so you can shop without errors, declines, or confusion. Let's start with the basic idea. A Walmart gift card can only be used at walmart.com or in the Walmart app. It cannot be used on random websites, and it cannot be added to payment apps like PayPal or Cash App directly. That's where most people get stuck right away. Now here's the first step to using it online. Go to walmart.com and sign in or create an account. Then start shopping like normal. Add the items you want into your cart. Think of someone like Alex buying household items and electronics. Everything goes into the cart first, just like a regular online order. Now here's where it gets interesting. At checkout, you will see a payment section. This is where you enter your Walmart gift card number and PIN. Once entered correctly, the balance will be applied to your order automatically. If your gift card covers the full amount, your order is complete. If not, you can combine it with a debit or credit card for the remaining balance. But here's the problem. Many users enter the card details incorrectly or miss the PIN. That causes instant declines. Always double-check the number, scratch panel PIN, and make sure there are no typing errors. Now let's talk about another important detail. Some Walmart gift cards may need activation after purchase. If your card is new, check the back of the card or receipt instructions. If it is not activated, it will not work online at all. Also, always verify your balance before shopping. Even a small difference between your cart total and available balance can cause checkout failure. One more useful tip. If you are using the Walmart app, you can save your gift card in your account for faster checkout next time. This makes future purchases much smoother and avoids repeated entry errors. So here is the simple breakdown. Walmart gift cards only work inside Walmart's system. They must be entered correctly at checkout, and they can be combined with other payment methods if needed. If you follow these steps, using your Walmart gift card online becomes fast and stress-free. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple shopping guides that actually work in 2026.